In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Zoom account, depending on how you want to do it: web, desktop app. Whether you prefer a browser or the Zoom desktop app on Windows or Mac, I'll walk you through each option clearly so you can get in and get on with your meeting. Let's start on the web. Open your preferred browser and go to zoom.us/signin. Type it directly into the address bar to make sure you're on the official Zoom site. On the sign-in page, enter the email address and password associated with your Zoom account, then click Sign In. If something doesn't look right, double-check for typos and that caps lock isn't on. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it securely. If your school or company uses single sign-on, choose Sign In with SSO instead. You'll be asked for your company domain. This is typically the word or phrase your organization uses before .zoom.us. Enter it, continue, and you'll be redirected to your organization's login page to finish. If you try the regular email and password method, but your account is managed by your organization, Zoom may prompt you to use SSO. That's your cue to switch to the SSO option. Once you're signed in on the web, you'll land on your Zoom profile and settings, which is a good place to confirm your account details before joining or scheduling meetings. Now, let's do the same on the Zoom desktop app for Windows or Mac. Open the Zoom application on your computer, and on the welcome screen, click Sign In. You'll see several ways to sign in. Choose the one that matches how your account was created. If you set up a standard Zoom account, sign in with your email and Zoom password. If your organization uses SSO, select SSO and enter your company domain to be routed through your organization's login page. And if you linked your Zoom account to another service, you can sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple. Use the same option you originally linked to your Zoom account for the smoothest experience. After you sign in, you'll arrive on the Zoom home screen. That's your starting point to start or schedule a meeting, join a meeting, or review what's coming up. Seeing your profile picture or initials is a quick confirmation that you're logged in. For a smooth experience, always sign in from the official Zoom site or the official app, and keep the app updated for the latest improvements. If your organization requires extra verification, just follow the on-screen prompts. That's all you need to log in on the web or the desktop app using the method that fits your setup.